great to have Swati Bhargav with us. Thank you for your time, Swati.
Thank you.
Swati is a founder of Cashkaro and a leading voice in consumer tech and digital commerce. So, Swati, as you look at digital adoption in India, which is growing at a massive scale, how do you see the customer innovation or consumer innovation landscape developing, and what are some key shifts and trends that you're observing in India?
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. Well, this year we did about 10,000 crores in sales to our partners via Cashkaro. So we have seen a lot of customers interact with us digitally and online. What we are seeing is that there is intentional shopping and also impulsive behavior, a great mix happening of the two. We have 70-80% cashback, so people are shopping. The growth of quick commerce also is one of them. It's a key trend now in Indian e-commerce landscape. We also see voice search becoming very big. So people are doing a lot more with voice than they have ever done before. And I think that is going to be a defining trend for technology moving forward, whether it's in AI or without. Of course, nothing without AI is possible now. So it is coming in everything. Thirdly, we've also seen a lot of customers think about how can they earn extra. So our app Earn Karo, you won't believe, has actually enabled people to earn 30-40 lakhs a month. Right? So influencers, creators, students, homemakers, they're using Earn Karo to make their affiliate links for e-commerce sites, share it in their Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and when people shop via their link, they earn money. So that way, because the Telegram group owners have actually integrated the Earn Karo bots with their groups, deals are automatically being shared, and that is resulting in them earning lakhs every month. So people from Aligarh, from Orissa, from small towns, earning normally 10,000 rupees a month, are now earning 20 lakhs a month. There's a guy in Orissa who earns 1 crore a month. Wow. So this kind of life-changing things have been possible because of digital adaptation. And in India, we have 1 billion internet users. It's the largest, economy available. It's for brands. It's the largest pool of customers, and many of them are tech savvy. Many of them are getting more and more tech savvy, which is what we see on Cashkaro. That has become like a smart shopping habit for people. They know कि directly na jaake, if they open Cashkaro and they go via Cashkaro to all different sites, they'll keep getting extra cashback on their purchase. So 5 years ago, it was harder for us to explain to people ki how to use Cashkaro. Today it's become easier because that digital adoption is more and more. And AI has only helped in that because people are able to cross-check. They're able to also do their own research online on what they want to buy. So they're more sure ki okay, this is the intentional part I was telling you, ki they're more sure about what they want to do and where they want to buy from, because that research is so easily available for them. Earlier, it would be that if I have to buy, let's say, a microwave, I would go online, I would do reviews, I would search around, I would do all that. Now, like, I will go to any of the AI apps and ask for a review, and I'll make up my mind on what I want. I'll come to Cashkaro, search for that thing, go via Cashkaro shop, I'll get my cashback also. So the buying decisions are becoming a lot easier.
Understood. So, actually, that's a segue to the next question.
Yeah.
As digital for convenience when it comes to shopping changes to now factors like trust, personalization, or experience, how do you see the role of AI playing into this, and which are some of the factors in the Indian context that will have a good factor to play in the near term?
I think what AI is enabling us as brands to do is to provide our services so much, make it so easy for consumers to consume, that it is overall encouraging the whole funnel. So if you think about simple things like, let's say when you download an app like Cashkaro or Earn Karo, the videos that you see on how it works, now they're all made by AI. Earlier, I used to shoot them, right? So when I would make them, it would have its flaws. It would also, not be changed for that long. Now, because of AI, they are changing all the time. The journeys, the banners, the videos, the designs, everything is happening a lot faster. We are able to experiment with things. In fact, now, there are AI clones of me also, which are there, but except that we don't use them as much. But it's all enabling you to do it, and I think that the way that, for example, we have made AI bots on Earn Karo, the Telegram group owners are just plugging into that. After that, it becomes that they don't have to do anything. All day, all night, the deals are being posted on their group on their own, and they're just, getting the money. So you could literally be sleeping and making money. So while the same thing was possible earlier, it would take an army of engineers to make those products. Now AI is making it so fast. So that's what I meant, that it's enabling brands to deliver our products to users that much faster, that much sooner, and that makes it easier for them to consume and adopt.
Thank you so much for your time, Swati. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
talking to you.